Hi friends, I am going to quickly give you a video about today. There's a couple things that are super important. Um, but again, remember as we're coming back from spring break, I'm trying to ease us into coming back to school. So first thing, just a reminder to look at your agenda, which I'll also send out in an email this morning. Um, but the biggest thing that I want to talk about first is a change to Google Meet and how we are going to be accessing that. I know that you have done such a great job of coming to Google Classroom to meet, and we'll make sure today that we help each other out. But after all the teachers got together yesterday to make it easier on our principals to be able to join us, and without me having to send a code every time, and just some other logistics, we're going to start going to the Google Meet website, and all you will have to do is simply type in Hammond 16. So what you do, and I've provided this as a link for you to click on, and if you want to make that easier. But anytime you have a one-on-one with me or a small group, we're going to use that same link for all class-related Google Meets. So the way it will work is you go to meet.google.com, and you'll click join or start a meeting, and you'll go Hammond 16. So my name and our room number, and you click continue, and it will bring you to, oh, I guess I have to sign in. And then you join, then I will be there. Obviously no one is there right now because I'm doing the video, and hi, this is my morning hair. But that's all you have to do for our Google Meet, but I know it's another change, so thank you for your flexibility with that. And during office hours today, we'll make sure that people aren't logging into the Google Classroom link and that they're logging into Hammond 16. Okay? All right, and then the second thing I want to talk to you about is we're going to spend some class time today doing some math problems to help us prepare for our test on Thursday. I was looking over the test, and so I want to make sure that we're prepared with different skills that we're going to practice. So when you go to Summit, if you want to kind of get a heads up on them, we're going to go over the first 4 cool downs, and specifically the cool down at the top, not the exercise sets. If we have some extra time, we can look at those, but I recommend you can look at the exercise sets as extra practice on your own, and then come prepared to do the cool down with me during class. Okay? I also haven't dived into the number talk or any of these things down here, so feel free to take a look at those. Everything should connect to what we're going to be doing in our test. All right. Then we'll talk about writing my own myth, and any questions for organization of societies, and we'll be done. At 2 o'clock, we'll do episode 4 for Mars Patel. I do have a meeting at 2:20, so we're going to start Mars Patel right away after our office hours. And sorry about my son in the background. And we'll be ending right away. We won't be able to have much of a discussion because I'll have to go to my other meeting. All right. I hope you all have a wonderful morning, and I will see you soon. Lastly, please don't forget, I'm doing the Google small group again today at 11 o'clock, where we can talk about Google Meet, we can talk about Google Calendar, and any other Google tricks if you want to come show off some things, and we can kind of help each other access Google more easily. That'll be from 11 to 11:30, our office hours, and then Mars Patel. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.